Online private limited company registration. Online registration of a private limited company is now easy with Tax Robo's simple private limited company registration process. Register today. Our mission and goal. Tax Robo fosters Indian startups, offering end-to-end support from inception to scale up. We prioritize seamless operations through statutory compliances, celebrating and amplifying client growth as trusted partners. What is a private limited company? Minimum requirements and steps to initiate the startup process. Directors. At least 2 directors are required to form a private limited company in India. One of them must be a resident of India. Shareholders. A private limited company must have a minimum of 2 shareholders and a maximum of 200 shareholders. Capital. There is no mandatory minimum capital requirement for a private limited company. Registered office. The company must have a registered office in India, which can be a residential or commercial address. Why choose a private limited company for registration? Limited liability. Shareholders' liability is limited to their share capital contribution, protecting personal assets from business liabilities. Separate legal entity. A private limited company enjoys a distinct legal identity separate from its owners, enhancing credibility and trustworthiness. Fundraising. Private limited companies have easier access to capital through avenues like equity funding and venture capital. Tax benefits. They are eligible for various tax benefits and incentives offered by the government to promote entrepreneurship. Perpetual succession. The company's existence is not affected by changes in ownership or the death of shareholders, ensuring continuity of operations. How to choose a unique name for company registration as per MCA guidance. Avoiding offensive or obscene words. Not using words that imply government affiliation without proper authorization. Avoid using generic or overly descriptive terms. Incorporate a unique element into the name to make it distinctive. Check the availability of your chosen name. Private limited company registration process online in India. Simple steps. Step 1. Obtain DSC for directors and apply name approval, after check company name availability. Step 2. Incorporation of documents. Draft sent to you for confirmation. Step 3. File SPICE Plus forms. Step 4. Get incorporation certificate, PAN, TAN and bank accounts. Documents required for incorporation of a private limited company: Indian national, self-attested copy of PAN, passport size photo foreign national, copy of passport duly attested by Consulate of Indian Embassy or foreign public notary. Passport size photo Indian national, self-attested address proofs like passport, Aadhaar card, voter ID. Telephone bill, bank statement, electricity bill etc., not older than 2 months. Or foreign national copy of driving license, utility bill, bank statement duly attested by Consulate of Indian Embassy or foreign public notary. Copies of the utility bills, telephone bill, not older than 2 months, or electricity bill etc., not older than 2 months. If it is a rental property, we need to obtain the no objection certificate from owner of the property. Compliance after incorporation of private limited company. GST registration, PF and ESI registration, profession tax registration, import and export code. Secretarial compliance required for passing resolutions, change in management, entering contracts, loan obligations etc.